So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take apart this power supply. I got this from a computer. I've got probably 20 computers in my garage, each with power supplies that I can get out and take apart. What I'm going to do is take this apart and I'm going to show you what I'm after. Casing is actually made out of aluminum, so I'm going to end up keeping that. If I get enough of it, I can take it to scrap yard or aluminum scrap yard and have them sell it to them, and they'll take it, scrap it out, do whatever they want to do with it. There. Should come out fairly easy now. Sweet. So, there's the inside. Bend this back some so you can kind of see. So I'm going after anything that has copper on it. Got some transformers right there. I'm not even real sure, to be honest with you, what those are called. I don't even care. To be honest with you, I just want the copper off of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a few small ones in here with some 5, 6, 7. Got plenty of copper. So I don't think I'm going to do a video of me taking this thing apart, because then it'll be like freaking 20 minutes long, and I don't think I'm going to deal with that. So basically, again, real quick, I'm just going to show you what I'm after. Just any of the parts that have copper on them, take them off and unwind the copper, and throw it in with the collection that I have. So pretty much short and sweet. Maybe I'll record it for a little bit longer. So I mean, at this point, I'm only at 4 minutes. So maybe I can eat up about 15 minutes. 11 more minutes, make my video about 15 minutes long. So what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to start snipping all these wires off. I don't know if they will be of any use, but you never know. So I apologize about the camera. All I got, and this is all I got, what I'm working with. I just got a PC webcam. So I'll try to hold it up here the best I can so you can see what I'm clipping. So there's that. Again, I don't know what I'm using for, but I'll probably end up going in the trash. So there's that. Board taken out. And all the wires clipped off. So throw that in my bucket. Basically, I just broke that because I'm trying to get back to the back ends back here behind that. Clip that off. piece. Look. Cut my finger. Real well. No big deal. It's not that bad. It's not deep. Three. If you count that one, that's four. There's another little thing of copper in there, but I'll go after that later. So the next thing I want to show you is these. That one, and it looks like one more, just this little bitty one right here. Have it. There's some more copper for later retrieval. Well, I think that's the end of this video. Just about 15 minutes, or 14 minutes and 41 seconds, so not too bad. But until the next video, later.